Zero to Hero, New Ways to Earn Money Fast Without Investment, 2025. Imagine earning $10,000 a month with zero investment. Yes, it's possible, and in 2025, the game has completely changed. If you're tired of outdated ideas and want fresh, proven strategies to make money faster than ever, this is the video for you. Stick around because I'm dropping a mind-blowing bonus strategy at the end that no one is talking about, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. In 2025, the landscape of making money has evolved. The old ways? Forget them. New tools, platforms, and strategies are making it easier than ever to build wealth from scratch. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone dreaming of financial freedom, these steps will help you get there faster than ever, no cash required. Let's dive in. Here's a unique idea: build and flip digital assets like websites, Instagram pages, or niche blogs. Use free tools like Wix or WordPress to create a basic website around a trending topic, think health, tech, or travel. Grow an Instagram or TikTok page in a niche like memes or motivational quotes using trending hashtags and reels. Once you build a following, sell the asset for profit. There's a massive demand for pre-built digital assets, and platforms like Flippa make it easy to list and sell. You can start small, grow it over a few months, and flip it for thousands. Ever heard of Micro SaaS? It's one of the fastest growing trends. Micro SaaS involves creating a small, simple software solution that solves one problem. You don't need to be a coder. Use no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide to create apps or tools. Examples include apps for managing tasks, budgeting, or even Instagram story templates. Monetize these tools with monthly subscriptions or one-time payments. It's a low-cost way to create recurring income and scale quickly. Here's a fresh twist: capitalize on the booming creator economy. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, and Substack let you monetize your creativity directly. Love writing? Start a paid newsletter on Substack. Good at creating tutorials or exclusive content? Offer memberships on Patreon. Talented at photography or art? Sell custom work or presets on Ko-Fi. With these platforms, you can earn money directly from fans without any initial investment. Build a small, loyal audience, and watch your income grow. One of the hottest trends right now is hosting live online experiences. People are paying for interactive workshops, classes, and events. If you're a fitness enthusiast, host live workout sessions. A music lover? Offer guitar or piano lessons online. Good at cooking? Teach unique recipes through live classes. You can start using platforms like Zoom or even Instagram Live. Once you gain traction, monetize through tickets or donations. This is a quick and scalable way to start earning while connecting with your audience. Now for the bonus step: get into Web3. This isn't just about crypto anymore. Web3 includes creating and selling NFTs with platforms like OpenSea. Offering services in decentralized marketplaces like Upwork on the blockchain. Earning through play-to-earn games or virtual real estate in the metaverse. Web3 is still early, meaning there's a massive opportunity to get ahead of the curve and make serious money. 2025 is your year to go from zero to hero. With these fresh strategies, you can break free from the outdated grind and start building real wealth without any upfront investment. Which ideas will you start with? Let me know in the comments. I'll personally reply to your questions and help you get started. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and share this with someone ready to level up. Remember, the journey to millions starts with a single step. Let's take it together.